How to fix can't change your country region in Apple ID. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix cannot change your country in App Store. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, you will see your username on the top. Tap on it and head over to your Apple account settings. After you're here, head over to sign in and security, tap on it, and after you're there, you will need to change your password. Tap on change password and change your password for that very email address or your Apple ID. After you do that, you can head back and under subscriptions, head over there and make sure that you have removed all the subscription that prevent you from changing your country region. So just remove any subscriptions that you have, head over to your App Store. After you're on your App Store, tap on your user icon that is on the top right. After you head over there, you can again head over to that very username, tap on it again, and after you tap on it, you should see an option that says subscriptions, manage payment, purchase history, and finally country and region. Tap on it and a new tab will open up like this, and it says here that you can only change your country and region only if you have a valid method of payment for that new country or region. So now tap on change country/region and choose any region that you want, but make sure that you will need to have a payment method for that very country. So choose a country and accept the terms and conditions, and then type in the method that you already have, the payment method. And after doing so, you will be able to change your country region in your App Store. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.